The 2025 BMW M3 has finally arrived, and it's turning heads across the automotive world. For decades, the M3 has defined what a performance sedan should be, and this latest version continues to push the limits while staying true to its roots. BMW didn't reinvent the M3, but they've refined it in all the right ways, combining raw power with advanced technology and everyday usability. On the outside, the changes are subtle but impactful. The front end features sharper lines, a more aggressive grille design, and slim new LED headlights that give the car a focused, intimidating look. Around back, there are fresh taillight graphics and a reworked bumper that emphasizes the M3's wide stance. The signature quad exhaust setup remains, a visual reminder of the performance hiding underneath the hood. Speaking of performance, the IBU 2025 M3 keeps the beloved 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine, but it's now more powerful than ever. The base model produces around 480 horsepower, while the competition variant bumps that number up to 520. That kind of power means 0 to 60 in as little as 3.4 seconds, putting it in serious sports car territory. BMW has fine-tuned the engine, response and transmission for even sharper performance, and there's still the choice between rear-wheel drive and xDrive all-wheel drive, depending on how you like your thrills delivered. Inside the cabin, BMW has made major tech upgrades. The M3 now features the brand's latest iDrive 9 system, which integrates a massive curved display that stretches from behind the steering wheel across the center of the dash. It merges the digital gauge cluster and infotainment system into one sleek interface. The user experience is smoother, faster, and more intuitive, with better voice recognition and customizable menus. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are, of course, standard. Beyond the screens, the interior materials feel more premium than ever. You get standard M Sport seats, with improved bolstering, high-quality leather, carbon fiber accents, and plenty of customization options. BMW also improved cabin insulation, making the M3 quieter during normal driving, unless you're in Sport Plus mode, where the exhaust opens up and reminds you exactly what you're driving. Chassis tuning has also received some attention. The adaptive suspension has been recalibrated for a better balance between comfort and performance, making the M3 even more daily drivable without sacrificing its razor-sharp handling. Whether you're carving up canyon roads or just heading to the office, the 2025 M3 adapts seamlessly to the moment. BMW is also reportedly planning a hardcore CS model that could arrive later in the year. Expect weight reduction, stiffer suspension, and even more power, aimed at track day enthusiasts who want the ultimate M3 experience. All in all, the 2025 BMW M3 is not just an evolution. It's a refinement of everything that makes the M3 a legend. More power, better tech, and improved comfort come together in a package that still delivers the thrill of driving. If you thought the M3 couldn't get any better, the 2025 model is here to prove you wrong.